Unit 1 Prose. The best advice I ever had. Can you identify the following great personalities? Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, 1902 to 1990, was an Indian diplomat, politician, and the sisters of India's first Prime Minister, Sri Jawaharlal Nehru. She was very active in the Indian freedom movement and held high national and international positions. She was greatly influenced by the philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi and joined the freedom struggle. She was imprisoned thrice by the British in 1932 to 1933, 1940, 1942 to 43. After her husband's death in 1944, she traveled to the USA from late 1944 to early 1946 on lecture tour. She entered Indian diplomatic service after India's independence and went to Soviet Union as India's ambassador. She went to Soviet Union, the United States, Mexico and Ireland as the Indian ambassador. She was the Indian High Commissioner to the United Kingdom and Spain. In 1953, she became the first woman president of the UN General Assembly. Mrs. Pandit passed away on 1st December 1990. This excerpt is an article written by Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, who was Pandit Nehru's sister. She wrote this article for the Reader's Digest, a monthly magazine, when she was the High Commissioner for India in the UK. In this article, she writes how a meaningful advice given by Mahatma Gandhi helped her overcome some difficult situations in life. Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit received the best advice from one of the greatest souls the world has ever known, Mahatma Gandhi, one afternoon. She was passing through a period of intense anguish with the demise of her husband. Added to that pain was the knowledge that neither she nor her daughters had the right to any share of family property, as the law said that only male heirs were entitled to it. Mrs. Pandit became very bitter towards all the members of her family who supported this antiquated law. Just before leaving for the USA to take part in a conference, she went to pay her respects to Mahatma Gandhi and bid goodbye to him. After their talk, Gandhiji asked her she had made peace with her family. Mrs. Pandit was upset that Gandhiji took the side of her relatives. She said that she had not quarrelled with anyone, but she refused to have anything to do with those who had humiliated her. Mahatma paused for a moment and smiled and asked her to go meet her family as decency demanded it. He also said that no one can harm one except oneself. He said that the bitterness in her could harm her if she didn't check it. He asked her if it was possible for her to escape from herself, though she was going to abroad to escape from this situation. He advised her to be humble, saying that the loss of a loved one is sorrow enough, and asked her to cleanse her heart. These words struck a deep chord in her, and after deliberating, she called up her brother-in-law, met the family, and cleared the air between them. After the meeting, she felt as if a great burden was lifted from her heart. A year and a half later, when she was in New York as leader of Indian delegation to the United Nations, India had a complaint regarding the treatment of people of Indian origin in South Africa. During the argument, personal attacks were made by both the sides when she suddenly thought of Gandhiji's advice and wondered whether he would approve of this behavior. She resolved not to make any personal attack but steered the debate back on track. Before leaving the committee room, she went up to the leader of opposition and apologized for her behavior and felt better when her gesture was warmly reciprocated. Gandhiji's advice helped her retain her perspective even in minor matters. Once she had invited the Prime Minister of Great Britain and Lady Eden for dinner. The entire program was planned to the last detail. The guests had arrived, and after two rounds of drinks, Mrs. Pandit requested to the dinner to be served. When it didn't happen, she went into the kitchen to see her cook drunk and dinner not ready. Enraged, she wanted to dismiss him, but the advice of Gandhiji helped her retain her sanity, and dinner was prepared quickly and crisis was averted. The guests were amused at the incident and the dinner disaster was averted. Mrs. Pandit's advice to all is to retain a sense of proportions is as important as being able to keep one's heart free from hatred. The advice of Gandhiji that no one can harm you but yourself is applicable to each and everyone in life.